You hear the beep when turning the key, but the bike still won't power on. Check this button to see if it springs back properly or feels stuck. Look for any obvious signs of physical damage. Also, inspect this cable for any signs of damage. Check the connection points at the display for damage as well. If there's no visible damage, continue inspecting the display cable. Again, check for any frayed wires, pinches, or other damage. If these parts look fine, let's remove the seat. Open up the main wiring harness under the seat. Find this specific 4-pin connector. This is the connector for the display. Unplug it and check if the pins inside are bent. See if any of the wires have come loose from the plug. Now, plug it back in and try to power on the bike again. Yes, you can hear the beep when turning it on. If its power's on now, it proves there was a poor connection at this plug. In that case, make sure to press the connector together tightly. If the display still won't turn on after checking the plug, then we'll need to replace both the integrated cable and the display.